Once your child has logged into Active Learn Primary, they'll be on the home page of the Pupil World. To see eBooks that your teacher has set, go to the My Staff tab and click on the Bug Club Independent tab. Your child should now be able to see their books. Click on the eBook card to open an eBook. At the bottom of the screen are the eBook player options. You can zoom in and out of the pages, use the arrows to go forwards and backwards through the books. For children in reception, Year 1 or for some Year 2 children, there's a Read to Me button so that they can listen to the story being narrated. Every book has embedded activities to engage your child further and encourage deeper learning. Most of the questions are marked automatically so that your child gets instant feedback. For some of the activities, your child can write their own answer, and these are marked by the teacher. When your child has done an activity, the Bughead hotspots go to sleep. To check whether your child has completed all the activities, click the red Close button and see how many bugheads are asleep. To finish the ebook, your child needs to do all the activities in the book. When all activities are done and a book is finished, it leaves your child's My Stuff area, but will still be available in your child's library for them to read later on. For further support on how to get the most out of Bug Club and reading with your child at home, go to the Grown Ups area in the top right of your screen, where you'll find useful tips for reading with children of different ages and abilities.